Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to share with you all our second sneak peek for the Glossbox Easter egg for this year. Now, in this video up here, I have shared with you guys the first sneak peek, also the launch date, the time, the price, and all that good stuff. So in case you haven't seen the video, go check it out. I'm going to leave it down below. So yeah, that video has full information in there, and this one here is just me showing you guys the second sneak peek that you should be expecting in this Glossbox Easter egg for this year. On top of that, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the March box, of course, from Glossbox as well. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, stick around, and I'm going to leave my referral link down below should you wish to join Glossbox and save some money off your Facebook. So yeah, that info will be down below. All right, now let's jump into our second sneak peek from the Glossbox Easter egg for this year, in case you're interested in buying this for yourself, so you are kind of aware what should be included in here. So this sneak peek is from 1 to 3, and it is called Super Glow Serum. And with this one here, it is of course enriched with vitamin C, which sounds quite amazing, and it's supposed to soften fine lines and also wrinkles. That sounds amazing as well. It's also says here it's supposed to reduce dark circles and also blemishes. And for a 30 milliliter of product, you'll be looking at €23.99. So yeah, that is the information there for our second sneak peek. Again, go check out my first video that I've done for all the info that you need for this Glossbox Easter egg for this year, which is of course launching this coming Friday. So yeah, that is that, you guys. Also, let me know, are you planning on picking up the Easter egg for yourself from this year? I know myself, I did buy one, for last year. I did unbox that. I'm going to leave the video down below if you're interested to check out what we received in our in last year's Easter egg. But yeah, that is the information, you guys. And now let's get into unboxing this one here for this month, which is of course March. I'm quite excited, so yeah, let's get into the video already. So by the way, this usually comes in this pink plain box. I already have my makeup on it, but that's how it looks like for this month, which is of course March. And inside here we are greeted by a magazine as always. Let's just go ahead and take that out. So yeah, this one is called Pretty Precious. It is of course our theme for the month. This is how it looks like. In this magazine, it tells us the prices and also the product that we are receiving in this box over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this out and try to see what we have. All right. Oh, okay, so the first product I see, let me just get the book so that I get some right information. So the first product, it is from Dose, I believe. Yeah, Dose, and it is a limited edition eyeshadow palette, which comes sealed, by the way. It looks like this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open it because we want to see how the colors looks like. So just take off the plastic paper here. All right, and oh, okay, so this is how the palette looks like, you guys. You can see the colors right there. They look quite lovely actually. Now this one retails for €41. Wow, for this tiny palette, that is a lot. But we are getting here, we have a highlighter, we have a blush, and we have some eyeshadow there as well. Okay, I see myself using a highlight and probably a blush. I'm not sure about the rest of this, but that is how this eyeshadow palette looks like. All right, so that is our first product, retailing for €41, which is quite a lot for this tiny palette. But anyway, let's move on to the next product here, which I see, and this one is from Eco Infusions. It is their Semo Treatment Wrap. Ooh, volume and nourish mask. All right, which looks like this. So it comes in this packaging right here. And what did it say? Okay, so it says you have to use it straight away after you open it. Okay, an infusion of natural oils, extracts, and thermal technology provide a deep treatment to restore volume and nourishment to flat hair. Okay, suitable for all skin type, for all hair type, I mean. All right, and use immediately after opening. So I won't go ahead and open this because I'm not gonna use it straight away, but anyway, it is what it is: volume and nourish mask for the hair. All right, and also here it does have actually cotton oil, ginseng, and aloe vera in it. That sounds really interesting. All right, I've never seen something like this. Okay, all right, that is our second product, you guys. And let's have a look what else we have in here. Oh, we do have a brush from Lotte London. All right, and it looks like this. Comes in a pink packaging. You can see it right there. Now this one is an eyeshadow blending brush, which you can use like to put you know, some shadows on your eyelid or something like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it because most likely I'll either pass it away to somebody, so I'll just keep it in here. But that's how it looks like. Okay, you can see anyway how it looks like. So yeah, an eyeshadow from Lotte London, and it is 100% vegan and cruelty free, which sounds amazing. So yeah, that is that already. What else do we have in here? Let's have a look. We have more product. All right, I'm just having a look in the booklet as well to see what else. All right, the next one is from Below, and this one is the pink sparkle shower foam. All right, comes in this one here, as you can see right there. Now you guys, I must say that the product from this company, they smell absolutely amazing. I do have their hand cream. I'll show you how it looks like. It's this one here. I have been absolutely loving this hand cream over here. It smells absolutely amazing. It's almost finished. It's more like in a foamy kind of way, but it smells amazing. So I cannot wait to give this one a try for the shower. Of course, it is a foam, and yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that smells really lovely. Oh, that smells lovely, you guys. Okay, quite sweet though. All right, so yeah, a shower foam, nice, and that retails for €3.95 for 75 milliliter of product, which is quite lovely. And we have the last product here. Now this one is, let's have a look what is it. Again, getting information from our book over here. And this one is antioxidant eye contour cream. All right, it does have a hyaluronic acid, which you guys know it's absolutely amazing for retaining moisture. It does have coffee, lemon, and apple extract in it, which is this product right here, as you can see right there. And it is from the company called Cosmos Natural. Yeah, I do have a hand cream from this company here, and I absolutely love it. It's this one here actually. I think I had it in my last time gloss box, but yeah, this smells amazing, and I'm so looking forward to this one here. That is our last product, you guys. And for this one, it is of course retailing for €5.29. Now that was everything that we received in this month's gloss box. As you can see, it is now empty there, and I'm going to have the total, you know, price somewhere on the screen so you can see how much everything all came together. So yeah, you guys, that is that. Let me know what you think of this month's product from Glossbox. I think you know, they are not too bad. The combination here is not too bad actually, because we do have some, you know, eyeshadow palette, we have some makeup brush, and then we have some, you know, hair treatment, some eye cream, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the product, and Some of them I would definitely pass them away because I'm not going to use everything. I do have a lot of makeup brushes at the moment, so I don't think that I'll be needing this one, even though it's in the color pink, my favorite. But still, I think I'll pass it on to somebody who might use it, and yeah, have a look at the rest of the product as to which one I can keep and which one I can give away. But yeah, this palette here is quite interesting. Definitely the blush is something that I can use, and the highlighter. But the other colors, I'm not sure about those one there. The 4 small pan, I'm not sure if those will be something that I can reach for all the time. But anyway, you guys, overall that was everything. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and again, let me know in the comment section below if you're thinking of picking the Glossbox Easter egg for this year. And yeah, that's it for me. Go have a good one. Lots of love. Take care. And again, my Glossbox refill link is down below. Check it out if you want to sign up for their monthly beauty subscription. So yeah, all right, I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. Bye for now.